Today we're going to do the unboxing and review of this radio controlled monster truck. Costco sells these trucks. Are they worth it? Should you buy it? Is it good quality? Let's find out. This truck is huge. I bought this truck at Costco for around $75. For the price, you're getting a super big monster truck. In the video, it doesn't look that bad, but once you see it in person, it is big. The package itself, it is 2 feet and 2 inches by 1 feet and 7 inches. Here's the first look of this new truck. Again, this thing is big compared to other RC trucks that you can buy at some other stores. You get a lot of truck for the price. One nice thing is that it comes with a 20-volt battery. You can also use the battery from your drill and it will work. Another nice thing is that they include all of the batteries that you need to get you up and running. A nice plus of this truck is that it includes these hat shoes, so you can put your GoPro camera, you can mount it here, and you're going to have nice video from your truck, which we're going to test in a few minutes. Once you remove these little clips, you can have access to the battery compartment. Here you can choose if you want to use the included battery. You have the setting right here, or if you want to use your 20-volt drill battery, you need to move this bracket here and then you connect it. In this case, we're going to use the included battery. We're gonna put it right here. I have this rigid battery, but it's not compatible because the brackets are different. In this case, you need to use a D-Wall battery to be able to use it with this truck. The remote has two options, one that is full speed and one that is training mode. If you want to use it in a lower setting that it doesn't go as fast, you just move it to the left, you are in training mode. But if you want to use it full speed, you just move it to the right, here is full speed. On the bottom of your truck, you're going to find the on and off little switch. So I'm gonna turn it on. And also the remote, you have the switch here. And see this little thing that you can align the front wheels. Let me show you. If I move it to the left, to the right, if it's running, like if you're running straight and the truck is going to the left or to the right, you can control it by adjusting this little thing. And also, of course, you have your steering wheel, we can call it that way. Super simple. The charger, it is also included. To recharge the battery, you just need to remove the battery and connect it here. Here's one of the bad things about this truck. The battery takes forever to charge. It takes 4 hours to charge from 10% to 100%. Even the instructions say to charge it for 4 hours 15 minutes. The duration of the charge is another bad thing. I will explain in a minute. Our first test is the range. The box says 150 plus feet. The range seems to be accurate. I was able to get about 150 feet. After that, I lost control.
Run, Forrest!
One thing that I noticed right away is that the farthest the truck goes, the more difficult it gets to control. The steering wheel gets super sensitive. If you turn it a little bit, the truck overreacts and makes a sharp turn. You will be crashing on every turn. The hatchet mount is very convenient to put your GoPro camera and get some action videos. Driving on asphalt was not that exciting, so I decided to go off-roading. Here is where you're going to get the most fun. tell you the other bad thing about the battery.
One of the bad things about this car is that the battery only lasts between 15 and 20 minutes. Compared to the time that you need to charge it, I don't know if this thing is worth it.
The box claims that have a longer runtime. Yes, if you have additional batteries. If you're prepared with additional compatible batteries, you are going to have a good time. If you only have the included battery, it is not going to be enough. You need to charge it 4 hours for a 15 to 20 minute drive. That is one of the bad things. Other than that, this truck is fun. It is good quality, it is fast, it is big, and also kinda heavy, around 10 pounds. That's it for today. If you see this truck at Costco and want to buy it, now you have the information to make your decision. Thanks for watching.